There's Dave and Fran. They're always the first ones out.
I was the first one out. Fran.
Yeah, well, she was close behind. They can't stand any snow in front of their place. They usually finish first, too. Yeah. It's hard to do. Okay, there's Jen Graham shoveling. Let's see some check out her technique. Look at her go. She was the first one at the party. Oh, I will. Yeah. And there goes Bo.
Uh-oh.
Let's check out his technique.
I'm still in development.
Okay, well, let's see how far you got. Well, he's making progress. Oh, I'm getting in the way here. Damn. Who needs a snowblower?
New camera?
Yeah. The storm isn't over yet. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
You're working on the back.
Yeah.
Let's see George's technique. That looks like a backbreaker.
Huh?
Leaning down in there.
Oh, yeah.
Now let's see you go. The plow just came. It's not too bad out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get this wheelbarrow out later.
Yeah, it in there.
Hey! Here, get her again.
Oof. Oof.
She's just about buried.
How you doing?
Sage! Are you alive?
Big old red Steve.
Ah, here comes Terry.
What do you got there? You got a video camera?
Yeah.
We're walking on the surface of Mars right now.
I know, it's brutal out there. 10 below, gusting to 80 kilometers an hour. This is what a blizzard looks like on New Year's in Nova Scotia. And Jen's raring to go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get you geared up with a shovel. There goes Dorota. Widening out the sidewalk. Very nice. You're bundled up now.
Yeah.
And shoveling out the time tunnel.
Get out of here.
Oh, shucks. Here comes an apparition.
Yeah, you also have one that I thought was Steve.
George still at it.
Well, you're taking pictures showing snow, are you?
Yeah, just showing what a blizzard is like in Halifax. This is a good one. Could be worse.
Look at that, no snow over there.
I know. He must pay his taxes.
Huh?
He must pay his taxes.
Yeah,
I know. It was like that at
Just
dawn.
blew it away.
Yeah, no, that's right. It's a good one.
What are you going to do? Put that on the computer, are you?
I'll probably put it on YouTube. Just look up blizzard in Halifax. It should be on there. It should be on there this afternoon.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing there, boy?
Shoveling away.
Huh?
Just shoveling away.
He's been out here since noon.
Huh?
He's been out here since noon.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, I think. It was a good one. Not over yet.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, have a good day. And that's enough for now.